there's money to be made, but you usually have to work a lot harder to get it in a competitive market. So for you to have that much going on the real estate side, like what are you doing for lead generation?
I used to buy a lot of deals from wholesalers. I run the numbers and it's like I'd maybe make $5,000 on this deal, and then somehow someone buys it. So it's been hard that way, but I've never really been good at the marketing piece. I've tried to do marketing self-gen like 3 times. Earlier, I said everything with my business is relationship based. So like we're getting deals from everywhere, but lots of agents bring me deals. I'll buy some stuff from wholesalers. We'll get referrals. We'll get some shit off the MLS still. So I'm just got all lines out all the time, but relationships and just constantly, trying to provide value, speaking at the RIAs. I'm hosting the monthly events at my office now and just trying to continue to build my brand. And that's helped deal flow come in too.